adoption is primarily the Virginia statutes, and when I'm working on a case, I usually have, I actually have a hard copy, if you can believe it, of the code, and I have 63.2 open on my desk, because even though this is all I do, the way that these statutes interplay can be turn on a phrase or a word. So you really will want to be very cognizant of the statutes. However, there are some federal laws that impact domestic adoption. The one that is most likely to come across your desk is going to be a situation where someone is adopting a child from another state, or perhaps the child is like a relative of theirs and they're in foster care in California, for example, and they're trying to bring the child to Virginia to live with them and be adopted there. So those are sort of the two scenarios. In that situation, what you have to be aware of is the Interstate Compact on the placement of children, and that is not a federal law. It's actually a compact which all 50 of our states belong to, and it is a sort of a reciprocal set of rules which govern interstate transfer. So what they're essentially trying to avoid is children leaving a state to be adopted in another state against the proper protocol and wishes, perhaps, of the birth parents, and then the child being in another state without a way to get back to the birth parents if the adoption falls apart. So that's kind of the whole concept of the Interstate Compact.